Welcome to Mastering CSS Animation, where we unlock the secrets to creating captivating motion on the web. Today, we're diving deep into the world of CSS animations, exploring techniques, tips, and best practices to elevate your web design game. Hey there, style wizards and code fashionistas. If you're enjoying these tips on making your website look as stylish as a runway model, and you are ready to level up your style game, hit subscribe for daily CSS fashion tips and tricks. Stay ahead of the trends and join the chic squad now. While I show you the file setup, let's discuss CSS Animations. CSS Animations are a powerful tool that allows you to bring your web pages to life with dynamic motion and interactivity. With just a few lines of code, you can create stunning visual effects that captivate your audience and enhance user experience. By the end of the video, we will talk about the most important and best practices for using CSS Animations. There are several key properties that govern how CSS animations behave. Let's break them down. Animation name specifies the name of the keyframe animation. When you specify CSS styles inside the @keyframes rule, the animation will gradually change from the current style to the new style at certain times. To get an animation to work, you must bind the animation to an element. The following example binds the BX1 animation to the Box1 div element. Here, I am using transform property to translate Box1 in y-axis. As you can see, nothing works. That's because animation duration determines how long the animation takes to complete, and its default value is 0. Animation delay sets a delay before the animation starts. Animation timing function controls the speed curve of the animation. Animation iteration count specifies the number of times the animation should repeat. Now let's try another animation on another box. Animation fill mode determines how the animation applies styles before and after it is executed. Remember, keyframe identifier should be the animation name. Let's animate this box with another style property, rotate. We will discuss these CSS transform properties in another video soon. Let's see how other animation fill mode values look like. We can also add more than one animation to the same element. Now let's add new animation to another box. Let's scale this element from 0 to half its size and then to full size. Animation direction defines whether the animation should play forwards, backwards, or alternate between the two. Let's see how other animation direction values look like. Normal is its default value. Let's learn a shorthand method of writing these animations. This BX4 is animation name. This is animation duration. This is animation iteration count. And this is animation timing function. We can also add animations with other style properties besides transform. Let's change background color. By the way, we can add as many keyframes as we want. Now let's quickly add more style animations to the rest of the boxes. We will add opacity, border radius, and padding to the rest of the elements. And while we are doing that, let's discuss best practices for using CSS Animations. As with any design element, it's important to use CSS Animations thoughtfully and purposefully. Here are some best practices to keep in mind. Keep it subtle, avoid overly flashy animations that distract from your content. Consider performance. Complex animations can impact page load times, so optimize where possible. Test across devices. Ensure your animations work well on different screen sizes and devices. Enhance user experience. Use animations to guide users' attention and provide visual feedback. By mastering CSS animations and understanding their properties, you can create immersive web experiences that delight users and elevate your projects to new heights.